Alright, so the example that you should be seeing on your screen says if a varies directly as x squared and a is equal to 36 when x is equal to 6, find the value of a, the constant of proportion. So that means that they're asking us to find k. So the first thing that we need to do is to write our direct variation statement. So the statement says a varies directly as x squared. So a varies directly as x squared. Then we need to write our equation. If a varies directly as x squared, that means a is equal to k multiplied by x squared. And they tell you that y a is equal to 36 when x is equal to 6. So that is what we're substituting to find k. So a, that's 36, is equal to k times x squared, so that is 6 squared. So 36 is equal to, what is 6 squared? 36. So 36 is equal to 36k. And only one k, so we divide both sides by 36. So that means k is equal to 1. And then, so now we have k is equal to 1. The next part of the question says, find x when a is equal to 81. So from the last video, we would have found k to be 1. So substituting, so the first thing that we do is write our equation again, blank equation. So a is equal to kx squared. And substitute what we know. So a is 81, k is 1, and we want x. So of course 81 equal 1x squared is the same as 81 equal x squared. So if we want x, how do we find x? We undo the square. So that means we're going to square root both sides. So square root that, square root that. Square root cancels square, so we'll have x over there, and the square root of 81 is 9. So x is equal to 9 when a is equal to 81. The third part of the question asks us to find a when x is equal to 4. You always have to go back to the equation that you formed from the beginning. So the equation was a equal kx squared. Substitute what we have. We know that k is 1. So a is equal to 1 times 4 squared. 4 squared is 16. 16 times 1 is 16. So that means a is equal to 16 when x is equal to 4. And that is it for your example.